Hello guys, welcome to Squall the Smart. I'm smart. Today is my first time building these because Dad thinks I'm smart at building this city. And I made my secret house. That's here. And here was a sign that says Ray's house that has a stick made on it. And today I'm gonna build my city. And if you guys subscribe, I will. There, I'm gonna start building. First the grass, like always, because outside this grass, no, it snowed. Yo, that's okay. It's good we still have an inside house. And then the road, I'm gonna make the road. This is such a relaxing thing. The road is so amazing. Oh, I want to park my car somewhere. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep making this. That's a perfect place. Then let's keep making the road. I want another building. So I'm gonna just do this. And then let's resume. To be sharp. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I can build this so fast. Ha ha. And here's the sign for the shop. It says the shop with an arrow. Let's resume the video. Do you know who this channel is about? Who's people being smart? Yeah. Then let's put the sign. No, this is not the sign. Where is the sign? Oh, there it is. I have this, that way I can hold it easy. And there's a roof. Oh yeah, I always need to read the rules before I go in the rooms. Living room rules. Sit and relax. Now right now I'm being smart, okay, rules? Oh yeah, I made these rules. Oh, and there's but oh, I'm forgetting one more thing. A building. Just where the building. Where is it? Whoa, where is it? I don't know. Aha, there it is.